right up to the servo. Place it there. All right. Ooh, it is cold. Get the gloves on. Okay, that's good. Hatch on. Hey, it's Andre, and today's mission with the EC-1500 is a drop. Yeah, I got a couple cameras with a parachute. We're having a little fun with this big, wonderful cargo plane with a hatch.
Door closed, door open.
Awesome.
Throttle cut off. Take off flaps. Flaps up.
Dudes are already being dragged out the back of the plane. That is funny.
Door open. Door closed.
Woo! All right, bringing it in. Yay, look at that, they touched down, nice. Cool. All right, coming in fast.
Landing flaps.
I wouldn't turn when I landed, but whatever. Oh, it's cold. Okay. Oh, I'm in a ditch. Oh. Shoot. All right, so. That was awesome. All right, we're going to do the other camera.
Door open.
Okay. Go quick. Load the chute in. Camera's there. Okay, we'll get the camera a little bit more forward this time because the guys were hanging out the back of the bay. Okay. Oh, there must be something in the way. Come on, in there. All right. There you go. Okay. All right, so this time we're gonna release more over top of me versus far out. We have the whole field. All right. If I get this done, this will be so cool. I'm pumped. I'm excited. All right. Auto link. Oh, that didn't go as planned. There was a little too much weight on the door. I'm gonna bring it in, do it again.
Flaps up.
All right, gotta load that thing to the back.
Landing flaps.
You're gonna fly into yourself there, Russo. That's coming in hot. Too hot.
Throttle on.
Darn. That nose servo needs a little extra authority on landing.
High rate.
Yeah, I gotta give that steering gear a little love. All right, we'll get that camera back and try that one more time. Put the camera in, then put the guys in the back.
Door open. High rate.
It was a little squirrely with the weight, but I think the camera shifted in the back, so. All right, here we go. And then my landings, I'm driving it hard on the landings. But I want to get it back down on the ground, so. All right, so this time, the camera goes in first, and then the chute. And all we do is make sure that's in there nice and neat, not interfering with the door too much. Okay.
Door closed.
No.
Door open.
Just a little bit of interference.
Door closed.
Okay.
Mid-rate. Flaps up.
Hitting buttons like a cold finger dude. All right, this time we're gonna get up higher. I'm gonna let the chute out over here. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Door open. Door closed. Door open.
I got the door open, but it doesn't want to come out.
Door closed.
It came out at least. I'll go get it. All right, coming in the land.
High rate. Mid-rate. Landing flaps.
Okay, slower landing this time. Or not. Ah, she really bombs into the landing. So it flew a little further away than we had hoped, but you know, that's the adventures that we get to have sometimes. He did get hung up in the plane. Ideally, I would have liked to have done a better drop, but whatever. Well, I hope you enjoyed those parachute dropping shenanigans. Couldn't work on that in some better weather, so look forward to doing more fun little drops with the airplane because I want it to be ultimately safe and enjoyable because my fingers were getting numb at the last bit, but still a lot of fun. I'm Andre. That's the EC-1500. Hope you enjoyed the video.